most of my examples today will come from this category because this is what I've spent the last at least 20 plus years of my life concentrating on, which is suicides. It's interesting to think about suicide, and certainly they can be sudden, they can be often unexpected and feel like they come out of the blue. I worked with many people who had no idea that their loved one might have been suicidal and were utterly blindsided by it. But it's also true that people can, a family and friends can be on suicide watch for a long time before someone actually takes their life. And the death actually isn't that sudden or that unexpected. Um, and so suicide is kind of a bit of a gray zone. And also people can, in suicide, can die of relatively peaceful means, a drug overdose, or they can die, of course, in horrifically violent causes of death. And then the human volition question is very important after suicide because people struggle with, who do we hold accountable for the suicide?